Hello everybody, I wish you're doing well. Today we will finish our project of the engine. So we will do its assembly design. Follow me to see how to do it. So we'll open an assembly design project, then click on this to import our first workpiece. We'll go to our folder called engine and we'll import our crankshaft. Here it is. So let's put it in this side, I prefer. So now let's import our second workpiece to connect it with it. Let's import the connecting rod. Let's automatically name it and person, okay. Let's change its color because I forget to change it in there. Oh, I hide it. To change it directly in the previous tutorials. So let's put it in yellow. Apply it so it is good like this. Let's take the hand and move it here, and let's do a coincidence constraint. So from this to this, like this, and then we'll take this and put it from here to here. We'll put 4 millimeters. Let's see where it will be located. It is good like this. Oh, I clicked on the wrong thing. So let's repeat it. Just click this and this. We'll put 4 millimeters and click on OK 2 times. Like this. So let's import the other connecting rod. Yes, let's move it. Click on OK. Let's take this. Click here and here. Then let's take this surface and put here 4 millimeters. Press 2 times OK. I don't know why do we have to press 2 times OK, but let's just do it. We said connecting rods. Let's press it. Do the same thing another time. So this with this. Let's four millimeters, same as the others. 2 times OK. Then let's import our last connecting rod. It is, I don't know if it is this or this, but let's click on this. I think it is this one. Let's press on OK. This with this and put it here. And this with this here. 4 millimeters. So this is it. So we have all our connecting rods positioned. Then now we will import other workpieces. So let's import not the piston. We let it for the last step. So let's import our connection rod cap. Then now we'll rename it 2 times. Automatic renaming 2 times because we have to do it to rename it automatically. First time for the connecting rod and second time is for this one. Rename it part 2 point something. So we'll firstly take a hand, move it like this, press on OK. We'll do the same. Well, let's start with this with this, for example. Then let's do this, the 4 millimeters. So let's see it. 4 millimeters. Let's see what we will have. Yes, it is good. And now we can see here that we don't have the fillets. We can just double click on the workpiece to do fillets. Let's do them here. To do these fillets, these fillets, fillets, these, and let's do them here because we can see that we have them here. Or let's let this like this because we can put bolts here, so it is better to be plain. So let's press on OK. What we can remark is everything's changed, so let's continue. So we'll import, so to return in the product or the assembly design, we have just to double click 2 times. So double click and double click to return in it, or first time to select and second time to return in it. So let's take this, take the hand, let's press on OK. Let's put the second one, let's connect this, and let's take this with this, put 4 millimeter into here, so it is directly aligned. Let's put this to for the we can not put it, so let's import another connecting rod cap. Let's press on OK, and let's take this like this, and let's put this with this. Let's give this distance. Let's import our connecting rod cap. Let's connect it correctly. So what we can do is to this with this directly. Let's try to do it directly. Take a hand, that may help us. It's better for us. So we did the connection. We will do this with this. Then did I forgot this? This. Then put 4 millimeters. Click OK 2 times. So this is it. Then we will import the pistons. Sorry. Let's import the first piston. We will automatically rename it 3 or 4 times. I don't know. This is 3 times. So where is it? It is done. It is here. So let's move it on the X direction. Then we will do the contact between this and this. Then we'll move it in another direction. Let's see Z. Where is the Z? It is in the top. So let's move it into Z or Z direction. Let's do this with this. So it is like this. Let's import our other piston. Let's close this. Let's take it by the hand. It is moving on Z. Let's press here. Let's do the same thing. Contact. Then it have took the opposite direction. So let's just try to do this. Try maybe I have to do the contact here first. Yes, it is this. CATIA is done like this. We must respect the order sometime. I don't know why, but it is like this. Let's import another piston. Let's do our contact. It is opposed. Let's do this with this. So let's take this side and this side to import it directly in the good position. Yes, it is like this. I understood how it works. So this and this. So this is it. We'll import our last piston. Then click on it. Like this. Let's do the contact between this, or let us just start by this to to move the piston, not the full engine. Like this. So this is it. This is our engine. We will put the last work pieces. Let's import them. So we'll start by the piston pin. So let's rename it. We will click a lot of times. Where is it? It is here. If you can see it, we change its color because we can't see it. So move it first. So where is it? It is here. It is here. So I'll change the color here. So let's just change its color. Let's apply it and that's very simple. Okay. Now we will return to protect. So we'll start by this one. In this, then we'll put just see. Put 22 millimeters, I think, between this. Or let's just start by this. Millimeters between. You must see it by between this. So between this and this, we must have minus 20. Let's see if it is good. It is good. Let's see on the other side. It is good. Let's just let it like this. Let's import another piston pin. Where is it? Same thing, it is here. I just move it here. Okay. Same thing to the second one. Let's put minus 22 millimeters. It is good. Or let's just import our workpiece, piston pin. Where is the piston pin now? It is here. Let's just move it with the hand. We'll put minus 22 millimeters also. We forgot to do something, I think. Yes, let's move it so in the direction when we forget to do this. So let's start by selecting this and this. So it is good like this. Let's import our last piston pin. Where is it? It is in the same place as usual. So let's move it. Let's do the same thing. Take this here. No, I forgot to do something, so let's return. It would be better if we do the contact constraint between this and this. Not the contact, but the distance between this. We said minus 22, I think. I'm not really good to memorize digits, so don't judge me on this. Let's just import our last work pieces that are the piston rings. Let's rename it just piston. Like this, we can do it directly. Let's do the same thing. You just put it here. It's hard to find the axis, so let's do it like this. So let's do the contact now between. So let me just change the color. Not here, but put this into white. Apply and accept. So I can see everything. This and the contact that is so it would be like this. Let's do for all the rings. That will train you if you do it. So piston ring. Let's import a lot of them. Piston ring. Let's import two in a row. So let's select this. So this is it for the first piston. Let's import 3 of them now. or let's import more. We need 12 or 9. Let's import 6, then we'll add the last 3 in the end. So let's take this, this here, this here, like this. Let's press on OK. Let's do this one first. This, and let's connect this with this. Where is it? We can also take this direction. We will have the same result. Now, so this is it for this. Let's import 3 last piston rings. Where is the axis? It is difficult to have. Just here. This it is easy for the. Can't select it. Let's. So yes. So let's do something new. To do contact between this and this. Maybe I did a mistake. Let's just repeat it, and let's see what will happen between this. I'll just try to do it more. Let's just delete it. Let's do as we were doing. So maybe this is not enough big to do it, or this is bigger than this, so let's just do it additionally as we were doing it. Is this? Oh no. Oh, I selected this. You can use it to do the contact, so let's just put 0. So put 0, but more. Let's just do Control Z, Control Z, and Control. Or let's just return and do this. This is for this. More same but opposite, like this. You can do it like this. You can, but the best technique to put 0 is just to use contact to not have problems. So and finally, for this project, our last component to do the assembly, our piston ring to our piston. So this is our engine with CATIA. So this is it. We can, for example, hide these to have a bear, to have it better. We can hide everything. So this is it. Could be better. Can open it and hide this and this like this. We can, this, I think it is crankshaft, it is the first. We can hide these. So where there, so we can hide all this. So let's hide them. And I clicked hide here, hide. So this is it. We can hide constraint. So this is our engine assembled. We can also to hide this white things. We can see it with another view like this. Here is our engine. So this is it. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and see you soon in the next ones.